Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jayyduty here, and I'm back with another video. Failure is a part of success. Before you win, you have to fail. You have to embrace failure because it's teaching you something about yourself. There's going to be times in your days, in your lives, you're going to make so many mistakes, and that's completely normal. Embrace it, do better, and just keep going, my nigga. That's all it is, my nigga. Like, let me tell y'all my story right quick, right? 3 months ago, I was unemployed. I got fired from my job. Nigga, I was depressed because of it. At first, it didn't bother me. It didn't even matter because I was focused on YouTube. But down the line, I started realizing, yo, hold on, Jay. You ain't making no income. Like, you went from making $1,200 a month to now making zero. Nigga, you just went back broke. You literally just went back broke. So now I'm thinking to myself, like, wait, hold on. What should I do right now? Like, hold on. Let me get the fuck up and go apply for more jobs. So I applied for more jobs on Indeed. A lot of jobs was telling me, oh yeah, we don't really need you, but we'll call you when we do. And you know, when you hear that, you ain't getting a job. That's just how it is. So I'm like, hold on, let me just get the fuck off Indeed because nobody really hitting me back up. And if they do hit me back up, they tell me they don't even need me. So let me go actually walk up to these people. So I walked up to the jobs. It was a lot of people that was and was not hiring. It was some people that was telling me in my face, nah, we're not really hiring. I'm sorry. Like, it was at least like 5 to 10 jobs that told me that before I got accepted to 1 or 2 jobs, okay? Now, let me tell y'all something. If I could have looked at that in a different way, I could have told myself, I'm about to just stop trying. Nobody will ever accept me. I'm just a failure. I could have made a lot of excuses. Or I could have looked at that in another way. Maybe it's something still out there for me. Maybe if I just keep applying myself, keep going after it every single day, I would get accepted by somebody. Maybe somebody would accept me. You have to fix your mindset. Nigga, I'm working 2 jobs right now. Nigga, I was literally depressed 3 months ago, unemployed, got fired from my job, literally got laid off. You know how bad that made me feel, nigga? Just depending on YouTube videos. Bro, if you just keep applying yourself, you ain't got no choice but to get what you want. You ain't got no choice but to make it. And this is just the beginning for me. Y'all know y'all gotta acknowledge all areas of your life. Even in failure, you gotta acknowledge it. You gotta embrace it. You gotta make peace with it, okay? Because a lot of people, y'all don't like to fail, but that's why you will never succeed and get what you want because you don't even want to do what you don't want to do. In order for you to get what you want in life, you gotta do what you don't want to do, okay? You gotta stop being comfortable. Get out of your fucking head. Get out of your bed. The more you in your bed, the more you in your head. There's no bread in the bed. So you gotta get off the bed and go make something happen, bro. You a fucking man. What do you want? RJ Duty, but I'm not motivated. Why you not motivated? I don't even know exactly. Exactly. Find a reason why you want to succeed. Once you find a reason why you want to succeed, you will go after it every single day. You will figure out what you want to do. You will get up and go make some fucking money once you find a reason. And I don't care what the reason may be. You want to take care of your family, you want to travel the world, then you want to flex on Instagram, nigga, whatever you want to do, bro, do that shit. Find a reason, my nigga. I have to get the fuck up. Yeah, I was depressed. I ain't gonna lie, nigga, I wanted to literally 3 months ago, I swear to God. Like, I felt so horrible about myself. I felt like a failure. I felt like an unaccomplished person. I just felt like I just could never accomplish anything. Why don't people tell me yes? Like, I came from an environment where people just told me no. No, my household always told me no. People around me always told me no. Schools always told me no. Jobs always told me no. But as I kept applying myself, eventually you would hear a yes. Eventually. Somebody is going to hire you. Somebody is going to help you to succeed. But first you gotta help yourself. You don't even want to work a 9 to 5, but you want to succeed. Nigga, you don't even want to work a 9 to 5. Think about that. You think you're gonna be working a 9 to 5 forever? You're only doing it for a temporary time. Go clock in. Go clock in right now, my nigga. Go apply for jobs. Use Indeed. What I did to get accepted, bro, I walked up to those folks. I'm not gonna lie, my nigga. Like, I walked up to those folks, like, literally. I literally talked to them in front of their face and asked them, do y'all hire anybody? Like, do y'all need anybody? Literally, got the job. But before I got that job, bro, a lot of people told me no, my nigga. I was trying to get jobs that was paying very, very good. I'm talking about like $25 to $35 an hour. Niggas told me no. I was trying to work at warehouses. They told me no. I ain't gonna lie, I'm working 2 jobs now, but I'm only doing this for a temporary time. I just don't like to be in my bed, ain't doing anything with my life. Like, I just hate the feeling of being comfortable. I really do hate that shit. Like, nigga, if I ain't doing anything productive today, I gotta clean my room, I gotta do the dishes, I gotta do something to make me feel like I'm the person I wanna be. That make me feel like I'm the best version of myself. That's why it's so important for you to tap in with your imagination, because your imagination is going to be the reason why you will succeed. You need to visualize the life that you want. And when I say visualize, I want you to practice this 10 minutes a day. I want you to close your eyes, visualize the life that you want. Now you probably like, what Jayyduty, what do you see in your mind right now? I see myself in the penthouse. I see myself being very successful. Listen, look. I'm in a penthouse. I see the ocean view coming back and forth. If I look to my right, I can see the city. I make $100,000 a month. Nigga, I am very delusional with my reality. And I work 2 jobs. You can still go after your dreams and work 2 jobs. Or you can even work a job and still be passionate about pursuing your dreams. Listen, bro, get your head out the gutter. You listening to all these spiritual YouTubers that say, oh, I'm not ever working a job because that's slavery. Why would I want to enslave myself to the system? But what else you doing? Are you making online money? Okay then, nigga. Then you don't get to say that shit. If you broke as hell, you don't get to choose what you want to do. I mean, you can still, matter of fact, let me say that again. If you broke as hell, you ain't got no choice but to clock in and start a business. You ain't got no choice. What else you gonna do? Jayyduty, I want to be a drop shipper. You still gotta pay for subscriptions. You gotta pay for products. You still gotta invest in a business, bro. Jayyduty, I want to be a day trader, but I can get a blockage account. But when you want to start actually trading money, you need real money. At the end of the day, you need to fucking you need to invest, bro. At the end of the day, that's what money is all about. It's a tool. You gotta invest in businesses and things and people that will make you more money. Literally. And where you gonna get the money from? A job. A motherfucking job. If I was you, I'd go clock in right now, save up enough revenue so I can actually do what I want to do. You want to start a business? Clock in, work for somebody else's business. Because in order for you to work for yourself, you got to work for somebody else. So, stack up some little bit of bread from this business, from somebody else's business. Working 9 to 5, that's literally what a business is just working a 9 to 5. Invest. That's what I do, my nigga. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.